The National Electrical Code, or NEC, mandates overcurrent protection for all conductors. This includes conductors not enclosed in a raceway or cable. The primary goal of this protection is to prevent conductors from overheating, which can lead to fires. An overcurrent protection device, or OCT, such as a circuit breaker or fuse, is designed to interrupt the flow of electricity in the event of a short circuit or overload. This protects the conductors and the building from potential damage. The size of the overcurrent protection device is determined by the ampacity of the conductors. Ampacity refers to the maximum amount of current a conductor can safely carry. For instance, 2/0 aluminum service entrance cable, or ALC, typically has an ampacity of 150 amps. Therefore, a 150 amp overcurrent protection device is generally required in this scenario. The National Electrical Code emphasizes that overcurrent protection must be installed at the origin of the circuit. The origin of the circuit is the point where the conductors receive their power supply. In this case, the meter socket is considered the origin of the circuit. Therefore, the overcurrent protection device must be installed at the meter socket. Installing a 150 amp overcurrent protection device at the meter socket protects the 2/0 ALC cable running to the load center from overheating and the risk of fire.